What's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing Triple Berry Collagen Smoothie. Stay watching, I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on videos when I upload them. Alright, so this smoothie is super easy to prepare and is very good for your body. I've prepped already, and I would recommend that you guys do this when you get your vegetables and your fruits or whatever you're going to use in your smoothies. I have in this little baggie 1 cup with strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and then I have 1 banana inside here. I would highly recommend like you do this the night before so it can be a nice frozen texture already, and this just helps me so I don't have to add any ice, which is gonna water down my smoothie. Let's begin. So I'm starting off with 1 cup of milk, and all I had around the house was regular milk. You can use any type of milk that you want. If you want to go dairy free, that's up to you. So 1 cup, and I'm gonna add in there my banana. And like I mentioned before, I have 1 cup with the raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. That's gonna give me my triple berry smoothie. And I'm going to add a nice generous size of just regular vanilla yogurt. You can decide to add Greek if you want to, it's totally up to you. And I am going to sweeten this up a little bit, even though the banana's in there. And you know guys, bananas, they give you that natural sweetness, but I want to make sure, I still wanted to have a little more sweetness to it. And I'm just gonna do about 2 teaspoons of this honey. All right, that should be about 2. And let's not forget our collagen, guys. Let's not forget about that. So as always, I'm gonna have 1 scoop of collagen inside there. For the taste. Oh my goodness. This is what I call a triple berry smoothie. This is definitely a superfood at its finest. You have strawberries, you have blueberries, raspberries. These are all good for our body. In addition to that, we have collagen. That's gonna be amazing for our skin, our hair, our nails, our teeth, our liver, our joints, our bones, everything. And guys, because we incorporated a little bit of honey in there, honey has such amazing benefits for our body as well. Go out and give this triple berry smoothie a try. This is amazing. Trust me, it is amazing. On top of that, we have collagen in this. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao. Mwah.